mushroom. And yung ating white wine. Tapos lagay natin yung chicken stock natin. Ayan siya guys. Tapos takpan natin siya para malambot yung ating risotto. Parmigiano cheese. Black pepper. Ating salt natin. Yum! Risotto. With mushroom. Chili seasoning. Asparagus. Risotto with sea bass, served sea bass and asparagus. Yummy! Tara kain.